Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make pasta. You'll need to ask an adult to help you cook some pasta. Remember to make sure it's al dente, which means not overcooked and soft, but hard. So, in this case, the pasta has already been prepared. So you'll need the pasta, salt, pepper, mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, olives, basil, and some extra virgin olive oil. In this case, I'm using some that my grandpa made. Remember to wash your hands at the beginning and end of this activity. Today, I'll make the pasta. Me and my sister Charlotte will make this pasta. So, now that we've got our ingredients ready, it's time to start. First of all, you need to take the mozzarella cheese and you need to cut it into slices, like so. Once you've done this for the mozzarella, you need to put it to the side of the plate and you need to bring in the tomatoes. So you must take the tomatoes and put some onto your plate, like so. Be careful not to let the tomatoes dribble on the floor. Once you've gotten your tomatoes, you have to cut them into tiny little pieces. Now that your tomatoes are ready, it's time to bring in the olives. Make sure you ask an adult to help you remove the olive stones. In this case, the olive stones are already removed. And you must cut them up into bits too. Now that all the ingredients have been chopped and prepared, it's time for you to take your plates and put all the ingredients into the bowl. Now for a drizzling of oil. And now my sister Charlotte will take the basil and put it into the bowl. Now that the basil is in the bowl, it's time to mix everything up, like so. Now that everything's been mixed, we just need to put in the seasoning and then we must mix again. So, the seasoning is optional, but in my one I will put it in, like so. A bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and now a good mixing. Now that the pasta is ready, it's time to tuck in. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then just smash that clicker onto the thumbs up like button and push that subscribe button for more recipes, games, book reviews, film reviews, trip reviews, and fun! I'll see you soon on Kids Fun Things.